Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if your Edge 17 Fusion is not turning on. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device, just click and hold side button and volume up button, you will see, and restart phone from here and click on restart. You will see a problem is solved. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see a problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so insert charging cable. After insert charging cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. After click on settings app, click on search and search software update, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if your H17 user is not turning on. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.